Prophet Muhammad ﷺ was a very kind and generous person who used to help everyone, including the poor, and he never spoke ill about anyone.
The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ was a very kind and brave person who we all need to follow. And he always tried to guide everyone to the light and never hated anyone.
I love the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, because he inspires me to be a better person every day.
I love the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, because of his leadership qualities and his tolerance for other people.
So one quality, one reason of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, I hold dear to myself, is the fact that if you look at his life, he was very much, him and his people were very much persecuted, and they had a lot of trials and hardships. But even in those trials and hardships, he showed perseverance and showed patience, and in the end, he got victory. And it teaches us Muslims that no matter how many trials and how many trials or how many hardships you have in your life, you should always stay patient and you should always be perseverant, because at the end of the day, it will be fruitful for you.
One thing that I love about the Prophet ﷺ is that he never had enmity for any of his enemies, no matter how much they persecuted his beloved ones and himself. And he suffered a lot in his life, but he still had patience, and that is what he teaches us. And he teaches us not to be angry. And he actually mentioned this 3 times in one of the hadiths, that do not be angry, do not be angry, do not be angry, 3 times. And he was basically a mercy towards mankind, and he teaches us to be kind to others no matter how much they've made us suffer. So always be kind and be the better person.